These are pieces from dog ear pickets for a project we used at work, just because the wood was good for the project, but we didn't need the dog ears. So I believe in repurpose and reuse, so I brought them home. And I'm running these across the front of my shop. You can see my metal overhang is pretty wide, and I needed to bump it out closer to the edge so I can put a gutter up. And this 5/4 decking right down through here was left here from a project I did for somebody else, and they didn't want them back if I could use them. So I think with the 5/4 decking and the dog ear pickets, I'm gonna be able to bump this out enough to put a gutter up there so I can catch more water like I do over here off the sawmill roof. I've got another tank just down over the hill by my wood chips and my elderberry. And I'm already, with all this hot weather, I don't know if you can see out there, but I've already got a hose running to the garden, and I get pretty good gravity flow from it. So anyhow, back to what I do in a normal day. Get this stain from a local supplier, a family-owned business called Landing Paints in Middletown. It's called Canyon Brown. I've had this for golly, a long time. I've used it for over 9 years. If you've seen our Crooked Creek video, it's what I put on our cabin. And I really like the color of this. Hey, Ellie Mae, you want to go get some elderberry? Are you ready? Come on, let's go get some elderberries. These are steps I started putting in several years ago, and finally ended up with enough rock to finish it up. Down here, I burnt out a bunch of the Bermuda, but as you can see, it's hard to kill. It's coming right back. When the sun's low in the sky the way it is, and I'm looking back this way, it's sometimes hard to tell which are good and ripe. I have to try to get with the sun to my back. Just like, got a few here that I missed. But that's about it for today. Let me turn around and let you see our sunset going down. So, time to head to the house, get a shower, sit down, and clean off the elderberry. Thanks for sharing a little of your time with me.